There's something about blueberry cake that just makes people feel inspired. Maybe it's the way the berries add a touch of sweetness to the cake. Or the way the flavor seems to remind people of summertime. Whatever it is, blueberry cake always manages to inspire people to do their best. Dogs are amazing companions who bring a lot of joy into our lives. They are always happy to see us, and they provide us with unconditional love and support. Owning a dog is a great way to get exercise, and dogs can also help us meet new people. Dogs are always eager to learn new tricks, and they make us laugh with their silly antics. Most importantly, dogs remind us to live in the moment and enjoy the simple things in life. Owning a dog is an incredibly rewarding experience, and I am so grateful for my furry friend. Macaroons are a delicious treat that can be enjoyed in many different shapes and forms. Just think about how many different colors and flavors you can find in a grocery store or bakery. This is because macaroons can be made in so many different ways, with lots of variations possible.